He whakamahana tinana, he whana te mahi. He parakatihi anō hoki kia riro I ngā paneke.
I'd love to play professionally one day. I think it's obtainable, but you have to get out of New Zealand to do that.
Ko te ao whutupāoro te kai o Hemi Innes. Kua uru ia I ngā kemu e rua, ara ko te whutupāoro me te futsal tērā. Kua tīmata tōna ara whutupāoro ki te kura tuarua o ngā tama o ōrua pairua. Ko tāna, aha kua te ritenga o ngā kemu e rua, he mārakerake te kite I ngā rereketanga.
Shirley Boys, when I started in 2014, it was a couple of years after I had just learnt about the sport and had immersed myself. I was able to approach Chris Needle at the time, sport director here at Shirley Boys, and he started the futsal program. And then it progressed into now, what you sort of see on the wall there is national champs, almost 10 years on. The main challenge back when I used to play both more so was just around timings. Sometimes I'd go from Shirley Boys futsal gym over to football training at the local club here on the east side.
Neke atu I te kaumārua ngā tau e purei ana a Innes I ēnei kemu e rua. A kua uru ia ki ngā tima o Waitaha, Futsal Whites, me te tima Māori football anō hoki.
Back in 2021, similar time as Māori football, I got in the national team in the wider squad for the Futsal Whites, which was a dream come true for me. And then this year I got called in to play in Vietnam against Vietnam, Iran and Morocco in a wee test series leading into the World Cup.
Goes past two players, what a goal!
Unfortunately, as high performance sport goes, didn't quite make the squad, but super stoked for the boys.
Ko tāna, he aki ngā rangatahi Māori ki te whakamātau I tēnei kemu o Kiko.
I'd love to see more Māori get involved in futsal. I think it would be really cool for tamariki and rangatahi, especially because it's so easy. You only need, a few people. You can play street football, you can play in the school gym, you can play at kura. I think it's such an attainable sport, but of course there's always cost involved. Once that barrier is sort of removed, then hopefully it'll be a lot easier for more of our whānau to get involved and play.
Hei ngā wiki e kainamu mai nei, ka pekātua Innes ki Ātihaunui. Kia whai tonu ia I ōna wawata. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki.
Thanks, Coach.
Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.